More schools return to face-to-face classes in January. How is that going? Today we visit Salem Primary and Junior High in Westmoreland, where we take a look at how they have been progressing. We also head to St. Elizabeth, where RADA received a backhoe from the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. Stay with us, we'll be right back.
We put in all the protocols. We ensure that our hand wash stations are in place. We have sanitization stations at strategic points right across the school. We have the isolation room in place. We also make sure that we have our sick day and everything is up to standard.
That's only part of the reason the Salem Primary and Junior High School in Beeston Spring, Westmoreland has been labeled by the Westmoreland Health Department as a model school in observing COVID-19 protocols. In addition to the guidelines as outlined by the Ministry of Health and Wellness, they are going the extra mile to keep their students and staff safe.
During lunch and break, it's pretty much the same. The children are allowed to go for break, wash their hands before they have their breaks, and while they are washing their hands, their classrooms are being sanitized by our cleaners. They come back to a clean desk to have their break or to have their lunch, and after they finish eating, it is also sanitized again. Right after lunch, we have a mask change because we want to ensure that the children are not wearing the same mask for the entire day. So we allow them to do the mask change, which are done at designated locations on the outside. We also have a mask break at 2 o'clock to give them some air to breathe. But in addition to that, we have other mask breaks like right after break to make sure that they get some time to breathe, and in the event that they want extra mask break, they can ask their teacher.
But despite all the protocols that are in place, the students are just happy to be back in the classroom.
It feels exciting, although we can't bundle up like we always did, but it's okay because I understand more in face-to-face class, and when we're in face-to-face class, we get better understanding of things.
Face-to-face, I gotta see my friends. I like face-to-face because I get to understand more and I be more comfortable at school.
The Salem Primary and Junior High School resumed face-to-face classes on January 11 and is reporting that they have seen an increase in the number of students now attending classes. Over in St. Elizabeth, farmers now have a greater opportunity to maximize productivity. This was made possible through the recent gift of a backhoe to the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries.
The acquisition of the backhoes directly speaks to the efforts of the government to introduce more appropriate technologies which will contribute to production and productivity. The backhoes will assist not only, as you have heard, in farm road rehabilitation, but also in the ministry's flagship production and productivity incentive program, which looks at crop, livestock, drought mitigation, and other major projects.
In the meanwhile, farmers operating in the parish are praising the initiative by the ministry.
What has been introduced here at Holland is a mark of good opportunities for farmers.
I think the backhoe here will help a lot in cleaning the drain and maintaining them, because of the low level of the land. It flooded sometime when we have heavy showers, so the backhoe I think will help a lot.
The backhoe is one of 2 purchased by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, valuing approximately $38 million from funds received under the COVID Recovery Response Program. The other equipment is assigned to Clarendon. That's where the journey ends today. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send us your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.